Okay, so the next thing that I want to show you is how to put your sign-up forms in other places besides on Substack. For me to show you that, I first need to show you where your sign-up form would be on Substack. If I come to Substack and I'm not the owner of the blog, or I'm not the owner of the newsletter, and I go to my URL, truthaboutbigfoot.substack.com, I'm going to get this, right? And it's going to say, type your email to subscribe. Let me read it first. And that's great. truthaboutbigfoot.substack.com. And I can give people this URL and I can get them to sign up for my newsletter. However, what if I want to put this subscription opt-in on a different website, right? Well, I can do that. And let me show you how to do it. What you need to do is you need to come over to your dashboard, come over to settings, you need to scroll down until you get to a place that says import your email list. And here you're going to find embed email sign-up form on other websites. It's going to say insert this HTML code onto any website to embed a sign-up form for your Substack publication. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. Now I've took the trouble of logging into a WordPress dashboard for my personal website. I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call this one Test Page Substack Opt-in. Okay, right here. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and down here I'm going to go ahead and click on this, then I'm going to click on embed. Now instead of entering this little link in here where you'd think it would be the right way to do it, that's not how you want to do it here on WordPress. What you want to do is you want to come up here and you want to edit as HTML. When I get here, I want to go ahead and paste this HTML stuff that I got over here, right? I'm going to go ahead and paste that right there. This says this block contains unexpected or invalid content. I want you to go ahead and convert that to HTML and then go ahead and preview, and you will see that this is good to go. Very, very cool. And that's how you do it on WordPress. Now, it might be a little bit different depending on what kind of website you're using. If you're using WordPress, if you're not using WordPress, if you're using a page builder, if you're using something different. Basically, what you want to do is you want to insert this stuff right here anywhere where you can put HTML code. That's what you want to do, and it should work out pretty good for you. But that is how you embed that sign-up form on other websites. Very cool, and that's the end of this video.